Hey there people, and welcome back to another episode of Eat with Vivek. In today's episode of our crispy fried chicken, I visited Karama restaurant and they call it Empire Crispy Chicken. Empire Crispy Chicken. Let's see if it's as good as KFC chicken and 5-star chicken. So today we are having Empire Crispy Chicken from Karama. To tell you more exactly, from Easy Bites. Would you like to have a look at the chicken? It really looks crispy. This is a 2-piece chicken. They charged me around 130 rupees for this. Let me weigh it out for you. KFC and 5-star chicken are giving you larger pieces of chicken. Both these pieces together weighs only at 170 grams, while KFC and 5-star chicken was weighing at 250 grams, both pieces together. And at the same time, 5-star chicken was also charging you the same 130 rupees for a 2-piece chicken. The taste will be the deciding factor to say if this is any better than either one of those. By just touching this chicken, I can tell you it's a really crispy chicken. So here goes our first bite. I've never had this before. Let me tell you, it's a well marinated chicken. It's juicy, it's tender, and it is really crispy and tasty. Just the first bite itself, I can tell you all of this. Let me give you a close up. You can see the shimmer on the meat. It is just the juices. Like I told you, KFC, better watch out because Empire is coming in. The KFC chicken had a certain taste to it. The classic trademark KFC chicken taste. It had its marination, the chili flavoring and everything. The 5-star chicken tasted a bit similar, but then again, the 5-star chicken had a lot of seasoning in its breading. I think the breading in the chicken is just salted, and I also think the chicken is just marinated in salt and pepper, I guess, because I can't see any other shade of either chili or cayenne or anything. In the KFC chicken, you can see a little bit of red here and there. I guess that is the seasoning they use. In this, I can't see any seasoning, but then again, it is tasty. I think it's all just in the marination. And now I'm getting on to the second piece, and this is a wing piece. It is a beautiful looking wing piece. You can see the swirls on it, they look gorgeous. The chicken is not over roasted like the 5-star chicken, it's not too brown, and it is tasty. The 5-star chicken and the KFC chicken, I feel right now are giving you more value for your money, because at the 130 rupee mark, the 5-star chicken is giving you a 250 gram 2-piece chicken, while the Empire is giving you only a 170 gram 2-piece chicken. And now it's the turn of the second piece. The first piece I had was a leg piece. It felt really tender, but this piece feels really tough. I think the marination in this piece is not done all the way through, because in this portion of the meat where the breast is attached to the wing, I can't find any taste at all. And finally, just like the KFC chicken, I can find a little bit of the chili seasoning that we see in the classic KFC chicken. Hope you can see it. It is like stuck to the bones. Right now, I can't make up my mind as to which of the 3 chickens are better. They all taste good. So I'm just going to enjoy this piece. Empire's crispy fried chicken. Yes, it is a tasty chicken. And just like they call it, it is a very crispy chicken. So tomorrow I'll catch you with another crispy chicken. Are you still watching? Did you think we were done with the video? Not today. Today, I'm breaking my rule of just buying one dish from one restaurant. I saw they had a crispy fried fish at Easy Bites at Empire. And I could not say no. I just had to get it because I've never had crispy fried fish. I've never heard of any other place making it too. If you know any other place in Bangalore making crispy fried fish, this thing says popcorn, but there's crispy fried fish inside. So if you know any other place that's making crispy fried fish, let me know. I will try it out. So let's open this up. This crispy fried fish cost me 155 rupees and it looks crispy too. The aroma of the fish is really nice. And like always, it's time to weigh it. I'd say the box will weigh around 20 to 30 grams. I'm going to weigh it along with the box. Along with the box, it's 160 grams. So give or take 30 grams, I'd say the fish inside, the fried fish, they're giving you 130 grams of fried fish for 155 rupees. It's time to take my first bite of this crispy fried fish. Oh my God. This fish tastes even more better than that chicken. I don't know what else to say. This crispy fried fish is much better than the chicken. I don't know what fish they've used, but this fish has taken up its marination in a very good way. This was unexpected. I'm happy I got this crispy fried fish. It tastes really nice. You should try it too. If you know any other place making a similar variety of fish, do let me know. I will try it out and I will let you know which one is better. When the meat of this fish hits your tongue, it is heavenly. It feels buttery, it feels salty. It's not a spicy dish, but then again it is just the salt and the fish. The fish does not have that overpowering smell. It's really nice. Right now, king of the crispy fried fish is Empire Easy Bites. They do have a crispy fried shrimp too, but then again, I felt the fish would be better. And the fish is good. It is when I'm eating a dish like this that sometimes I think I would rather just eat the dish and show it to you than talk about it. Because this dish, I simply have no words for it. It is that tasty. No matter how many times that meat hits your tongue, every time it does, it's glorious. I love you a lot. Always be a part of me. Never leave me. Come here.